Boil and Broil,
an Ashtalakshmi food journey. Namaste folks, hi, hello, welcome to another exciting episode of Boil and Broil, and I am your host Yudi, and I am at the remotest place of the Udalguri district, and in the search of some very different ethnic food of the T tribe, T and ST tribe of Assam, they are popularly known as Adivasis. Well, I'm here and I just crossed a river which is completely dried up in the season. And the worst part is, when it's rain, it's completely full of water and you cannot cross it. And thankfully, I just drove in. And it's completely white and complete white sand. And it's a vast land, which I have just witnessed. Which is amazing. I'm here to bring something very new to you. As I am at the remotest place, which I have already said. And I'm here. I'm actually going to look out for someone who can actually guide me throughout the journey. To know more about their food habits. To know more about their drinks, local drinks. To know more about their lifestyle. So I'm really excited and very thrilled because I just came to know this is going to be very unique, which I've never tried in my life. I'm going to eat a rat. Believe me. So this is what I'm going to do today. I'm really excited and thrilled. So let me see what exactly they have to offer me. Till then, you stay glued. We'll see you in a bit. Hello, namaste.
नमस्ते नमस्कार
जी सर, दूरदर्शन के लिए मैं एक शूट कर रहा हूँ।
जी हाँ।
कुछ ये ट्रैवल शो है फूड के ऊपर, खाने के ऊपर, एथनिक फूड जो है। मैं लगभग नॉर्थ ईस्ट के हर एक हिस्से घूम चुका हूँ। सो मुझे मेरे दोस्त ने रेकमेंड किया कि मैं यहाँ पे आऊँ और यहाँ के लोगों के बारे में जानूँ, जो यहाँ के आदिवासी ट्राइब है, जो TNST ट्राइब है।
जी हाँ।
और उनके बारे में जितना जानकारी हो सके ले सकूँ, उनके रहने का, उनके रहन सहन का, फिर उनके पहनने का, आप लोग के जो कल्चरल डांस है, जी, सब कुछ जानना है मुझे। तो आप लोग मुझे इसके लिए हेल्प कर सकते हो?
हाँ, मैं बता सकता हूँ।
चलिए बढ़िया। तो सबसे पहले मुझे आप ये बताइए कि आज अगर मैं आपके घर पे जाऊँ,
जी हाँ,
तो क्या आप मुझे आपके घर तक ले जा सकते हो?
जरूर ले जा सकता हूँ, वेलकम है आपको।
अरे वाह, वेरी नाइस। और फिर आपको मुझे हेल्प करना पड़ेगा सब चीज दिखाने के लिए। आप हेल्प करोगे ना?
जरूर दिखाएंगे, हमें तो खुशी होगा ये दिखाने।
अरे बहुत बढ़िया। तो फिर हम चले अभी?
जरूर चले।
ऑलराइट, चलिए। इस तरफ की किस तरफ?
हमें इस तरफ जाना है।
इस तरफ?
जी हाँ,
चलिए
हमारे घर पे चलो। ठीक है।
नाला में धैर हो एगो खखड़ा, कमोर जाय रहो नाला कोड़ा, नाला में धैर हो एगो खखड़ा, कमोर जाय रहो नाला कोड़ा, नाला में धैर हो एगो खखड़ा, भौजी रे बनाई दे खखड़ा के चटनी, कैसे खाबो मोय मार पात पानी, कम करे जाय रहो नाला कोड़ा, नाला में धैर रहो एगो खखड़ा।
But Raj just told me that he will show me around. He will become a guide, and we actually became friends. And he is so humble. He welcomed me to his house, and I can see all the ladies are preparing something. ये क्या है?
चाप फूल।
दिखाइए, इसका क्या करेंगे आप?
सब्जी बनाएंगे जी।
Wow. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if you can see, these are tea flowers, which they will fry and make sabji out of it. They are going to make some special dish out of this flour, tea flour. Well, this is going to be interesting, as I've never tried this in my life before. बहुत बढ़िया, ये लीजिए। उस टाइम से हम कुछ ना कुछ बात ही कर रहे हैं। They are all talking to me. I'm very sure they are excited to feed you some local delicacies. So let me ask them exactly what they're cooking for me today. क्या बनाएंगे आप आज हमारे लिए?
ये बेंगसंग है, हम बेंगसंग बना के
बेंगसंग?
खिलाएगा। हाँ
दिखाइए।
देखिए।
Bengsag. Oh, these are pennyworth, popularly known as Asiatic pennyworth. Tangy in taste. Okay. और
हाँ दीजिए सर।
ये थोड़ा सा, as they have already informed me that they are going to fry these flowers.
टी फ्लावर्स।
फ्लावर्स।
Tea flowers, yeah. Still they smell good. हाँ, बहुत sweet smell आ रहा है। अच्छा smell है।
हाँ
ये
अच्छा
सूखा
इसमें।
वाला भी है। ये
अच्छा, these are okay. So these are dry tea flower. Okay. ये क्या है?
ये बेसाग का सूखा
अच्छा,
हुआ
उसका
है।
सूखा हुआ है?
हाँ हाँ।
Okay. All right.
ड्राई पेन्योर।
Dry pennyworth. Correct. You can smell, you can sense the tanginess. Wow, very nice. और वो क्या है?
ये वाला कोसू साग, ये वाला,
साग।
इसका छोटा
Okay,
वाला।
taro stem and leaf. Okay. Ta-da. It can grow up to like 2-3 feet as well, like big, which you can use sometime as an umbrella as well. All right.
इन रेनी सीजन।
Yep. So, इसका भी वो सूखा हुआ है, right? Oh, very nice. The dried one. Oh, this is very interesting, everyone. These are fresh river snails. इसे आप कैसे बनाएंगे?
इसको
फ्राई करते हैं।
भाजी बनाएंगे।
इसका भी कड़ी कड़ी बनाएंगे?
हम्म।
हाँ? Wow. Well, they're going to make curry out of it. Well, इसको खाने का भी अलग तरीका है. You have to put it in the mouth and suck it.
ये
Okay.
देखिए,
इसमें क्या है?
आप देखिए ना।
ये क्या है?
केकड़ा,
Oh,
छोटा।
wow. I'm not brave to put my hand inside it and take one crab out. Well, they have crab here and freshwater snails. Small crabs though. Okay. All right. Well, and I can see they are using
ढेकिया साग।
Dhekya. Well, I know this is ferns, the edible ferns.
एलिवेल फ्रॉन।
Yep.
आलू देखा।
So they have already chopped the Indian pennyworth, and they're going to make some fry kind of thing out of it, right? इसको आप fry करोगे,
फ्राई
right?
फ्राई
करेंगे।
करेंगे।
With potato.
पोटैटो।
Oh, very nice. All right. और क्या खिलाएंगी?
वो वाला है।
एक तो है
मसूरी साग।
मुछुरी साग।
हम लोग मसूरी साग बोलते हैं।
Well, this is something very interesting which I have seen in my life. Well, I have to research to know what exactly it's called in English. क्या बोलते हैं आप इस साग को जी?
हम मसूरी साग
मुछुरी
बोलते
साग।
हैं।
हाँ हाँ।
मुछुरी।
तीता साग भी बोलते हैं।
तीता साग. ये टेस्ट में कैसा है?
थोड़ा तीता होता है।
मतलब bitter in taste. Very nice. चलिए, I'm going to have some varieties from sour to tangy to from bitter to sweet. Mixture of all flavors. I'm really excited. Wow. और एक अच्छी चीज I have heard कि आप लोग शिकार करते हो.
जी हाँ, शिकार करते हैं। तीर लाते
कैसे?
हैं।
अरे वाह. तो किस चीज का शिकार होता है?
इससे तो हाँ, रेबिट बोलता है, रेबिट। हम लोग हमारे भाषा में इसे खेरिया बोलते हैं।
खड़िया.
खरिया।
Right.
और इसके
The
अलावा
wild rabbits.
वाइल्ड रैबिट्स। और हम लोग सांप भी खाते हैं। अभी तो सीजन बहुत, ये विंटर सीजन है। अब
Okay.
सांप तो नहीं निकलेंगे, खिलाने ही पाएंगे अनफॉर्चुनेटली।
बहुत अच्छा. ये सांप जो है वो हम बाद में कभी खा लेंगे. फिलहाल इन सब से सांप कौन सा सांप? लाइक पॉइजनस स्नेक्स.
पॉइजनस तो हम तो भावना बोलते हैं उसको। एक जो हम लोग कल ये
हाउ बिग इज इट?
5-6 फीट लॉन्ग।
5-6 फीट. ओ माय गॉड. आज एक्चुअली मूड नहीं है.
और वो हम लोग मूसा बोलते हैं।
मूसा.
वन काइंड ऑफ रैट।
A kind of rat.
Mouse.
Okay. Yeah. I know that. Yeah. उसे पकाने का तरीका कैसा होता है जब आप उसे पकड़ के लाते हो?
ऐसे तो
मैंने बहुत कुछ स्टडी भी किया है. मैंने देखा भी है कि आप लोग कुछ अपने अपने तरीके से कुछ ट्रैप्स बनाते हो उन्हें पकड़ने के लिए?
हाँ वो है हमारे पास।
और आप लोग तीर भाला सब यूज करते
हाँ
हो?
वो सब यूज करते हैं।
सब देखना है मुझे लेकिन।
हाँ वो सब
और
है।
आप लोग का लोकल ड्रिंक
हम दिखा पाएंगे।
बहुत फेमस है, मैंने सुना है।
हाँ हरिया, हम हरिया
हरिया।
हाँ
हरिया के ऊपर गाना भी बना है, मैंने सुना है।
जी हाँ।
वेरी नाइस। सो आई एम डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू हैव अ गुड टाइम टुडे. But my friend is going to help me out with everything. Till then, you stay glued. Do not move. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Prabhat has switched his mode to the hunter mode. You can see a bow and an arrow in his hand. But let me tell you one thing. Prabhat is he is an English teacher from a local school, next village, right?
Right.
Well, very nice. Well, as you have seen, that fine gentleman, he just put a trap. These are rabbit traps, actually, which are merely visible to the naked eyes. If you look closely, these are all traps. Let me explain it to you then. If you're watching, well, they always hunt for hefty rabbits because that is more tasty to eat. The rabbit is quite big from behind and very small from the front side. He somehow managed to pass from the front side, but stuck from the back. And that's how. And it's get tightened up, and the poor rabbit loses life. So this is the basic hunting style of the Adivasis, right?
Yeah.
One more thing, and that trap. And this is a trap which they use to catch a mouse or a rat.
Yeah.
The rats are not regular house rats, by the way.
जी हाँ।
Well, do they?
Pediphill में रहते हैं।
Pediphill, yeah. These rats are only found in pediphiles. However, they are very tasty. So I don't know. I might taste it today. And these are the traps which they use to catch these mouse or rats. One more thing, it's an important thing to tell each and everyone who is watching my program at the minute now. If you kill an animal to eat, I'll somehow appreciate that. But if you kill it for fun, then I'll not like it. Don't kill for fun. Well, this is something which is going around since ages. Wow, very nice. थोड़ा सा ये चलाना सीखे हम?
जरूर।
आइए।
हम सिखा देते हैं आपको। Good sir. Nice sir.
And I already told everyone that this is something very common in their meal, the rodent. And these are not regular house rats or mouse, especially found in pedophiles. So first this is something very difficult to explain as well. So they put the skewers inside the rat's mouth. Then they burn out each and every bit of hair. Then they will clean it completely, chop into pieces. Then they make a curry out of it, or then they fry. Like we fry or boil or cook regular chicken or pork. इसको अभी इसका बाल निकाल रहे हो ना आप?
हाँ, इसको सफा करके इसको पोटा निकलेगा, पोटा निकाल के
इसका सारा अंदर का निकाल देंगे।
सारा निकाल देगा।
तो इसका क्या क्या हिस्सा खाया जाता है?
इसको पूरा सबको फिर देगा, इसको खाएगा।
इसका पूंछ खाया जाता है?
पूंछ नहीं खाता है।
इसका पाँव काट दिया जाएगा, इसका पूंछ काट दिया जाएगा, उसका सर?
हाँ, इसको साफा करके काटेगा, फिर बनाएगा।
अच्छा, इसका सर भी नहीं खाते?
ना ना नहीं, यहाँ से इसको काटेगा।
ओके।
इसको साफा करके भाजा बनाएगा।
So they don't eat the head, the legs, and the tail. But this is something which I'm going to experience for the first time in my life. And this is something which I'll remember forever. I won't say I will cherish it, but yes, it will be a lifetime experience. So why not? I will try. How do you feel when you're about to eat and thousands of people are watching you? Well, this is exactly the scenario out here. I'm at the tea estate here, and there are quarters, and everybody is here. They're so overwhelming, and they're all excited to see how am I going to react eating the local delicacies. All right, so let me introduce you all with the chef, with the S. Chefs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these young ladies have cooked everything for me. Right?
Right.
So I will show you exactly what I'm going to eat today. Up to start with. So, ye kya hai? All right. This is, what?
Sukuti.
This is called sukti. This is called sukti.
Kosu sak ka sukti.
All right, the dry leaves, the dry taro leaves.
Right.
All right, this is like the grinded rice and the water. And the herbs and spices like ginger, garlic, and onion. The fresh water snails.
Ji.
What do you call this?
Ghungli.
Ghungli. Well, this is a chutney they made up of Indian pennyworth, including chilies and
Tomato.
Tomato, yeah. Bay sak.
Okay, and this?
Kosu sak.
And this is also another leafy vegetable. I don't know exactly what is that.
Kosu sak.
But this is kosu.
Taro.
This is taro.
Taro.
Taro, all right. Red chilies, and these are tea flowers.
Tea flower.
All right, and they fried it. It actually tastes good. Well, very nice. And this is?
Crabs.
And this is some kind of chutney.
Kakra ka chutney.
Khakra ke chutney. And this? Well, this is another leafy vegetable, and this is something which I don't know. Most important part, which I have never ever tried in my life before. So you all are about to witness something very serious that I, Udayan Duarah, is going to eat a rat.
Mouse.
A mouse. I want it. Tastes like chicken. Not bad. Actually, not bad. So shall we start?
Of course.
All right, let's eat. Good job done.
Thank you.
Very good. Very tangy. You know, so tangy taste.
Tasty na?
Very tasty, very tasty.
I also want to taste.
Very tasty. I'm loving it. Wow. This is better.
ये खा के देखता हूँ.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Bon appetit. Let me eat.
Take this one.
All right. Gonna taste one snail. As I don't believe that I do eat snails. So there is a procedure. Can you see this portion? And you have to hold it like this and suck it. Am I doing it wrong?
Yeah.
From this side?
No. You do.
Takes so much of strength to suck one of those. To suck the meat out of the snail. I did it. Yes. Very tasty, very tasty.
Tasty na?
Very tasty. Oh, all right, amazing. What a food.
You want
सब
chutney?
बनाया है तुम लोग.
Oh, yes. Finally, the crab chutney.
Chutney.
Wow. This is beautiful. I'm going to eat every bit of it. I might take more also. So whenever you if you guys come across any of the Adivasi village or tribes, You make sure you eat among any of these. They make it so passionately, with so much of love and heart in it. You know, I must tell you how happy actually I am at this moment. You should try these here. Thank you.